Yo, what's good guys, it's Cyber, and today I'm going to show you how to make this crazy night vision look in After Effects. Before I start off, I want to let you guys know that this is in my Ken Carson editing pack, so go make sure to check it out, link in the bio. Alright, so I got a clip from this little tech and music video. The first thing we're going to do is just make an adjustment layer. We go down here, new and adjustment. I'm just going to cut it up. So we're just going to drag in the sapphire grain, and we're just going to mess around with the color amplitude and frequency. I'll turn up the amplitude a lot and then just drag up the frequency so you can see the grain does get smaller, and then we go back to amplitude and just turn it down a bit. Alright, something like that is cool. Now we can go to tint, and we're just going to get that green color. So we're going to drag in any tint, and we go to light, tint lights, and turn it into a green. So I'm just going to mess around and see what type of green I like. Yeah, something like this. I'll go for this one right here. Then after, we need a brightness and contrast. So I'm just going to use this one right here. And what we're going to do is just turn up the contrast to 100 and our brightness up a bit. Just mess around with it. It depends on your clip, but I'll probably go for a 50. Something like this is cool. And then for our final effect, we're going to use wave warp. This is just going to distort it. So the first thing we're going to do is change wave type to smooth noise. And we're going to grab this and turn it up to 0. Now we're just going to mess around with the wave height and width. So I recommend you guys mess around with it. Depending on your clip, it will look a bit different. But I'm just going to see what might look best. I'll turn up the width a bit and then just keep the height to 15. So you can see around here, it is like distorted. It is kind of like poking in and out. So it does add that more realistic night vision look. And finally, this is up to you, but if you want to add in a posterized time, it will kind of give that like slow FPS shutter effect to it. So we go to frame rate and just turn it down to 12, and let's just play the clip. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe and follow all the socials down below. And if you want me to do anything else like this, just let me know.